Welcome to the Desert Rose Ranch shipping container home, a true oasis of tranquility nestled on 27 acres of private property. In this video, we'll take you on a tour of this remarkable minimalist retreat, complete with a rooftop bathtub and a full Airbnb experience. We find ourselves in the heart of the Texas Hill Country, right between Fredericksburg and Austin, in the charming city of Johnson City. The Desert Rose Ranch spans 27 sprawling acres of pristine natural beauty, offering a peaceful escape from the world. The sun shines brightly, the weather is warm, and the only sounds you'll hear are the gentle breeze and the birdsong. It's the perfect setting for the unique shipping container home we're about to explore. This shipping container home was masterfully crafted by Bob's Containers, a company based in Austin, Texas, known for their customizable and stylish container homes. The model we're exploring today is the Porter, and you might recognize it from their website. If you're considering your own shipping container home, Bob's Containers has a wide range of models to choose from. As you arrive at the Desert Rose Ranch, you'll follow a lengthy private driveway that meanders through the picturesque landscape, ensuring your seclusion from the outside world. There's ample parking space, and as you approach the entrance, you'll be greeted by a picturesque walkway leading to the black shipping container home with a beautiful wooden front door. This 40-foot long, 8 feet wide container home offers 320 square feet of living space, and its interior design is a fusion of modern and desert aesthetics. The color palette is natural and warm, with wooden accents that complement the surrounding landscape. Stepping inside, you'll find a cozy living room featuring a stylish couch from Maidenhome. It's designed with a built-in side table, making efficient use of space, which is essential in a compact living area. The couch seamlessly blends into the open space, creating a comfortable living environment. Moving further into the container home, you'll discover a spacious and bright bedroom. Unlike many shipping container homes that feel cramped, this one offers ample space. The bed is thoughtfully positioned to allow for easy access, and there's even a dresser to help you stay organized. Large windows provide a beautiful view of the landscape, and at night, you can pull down the blinds for privacy. Continuing through the open living space, you'll come to the dining area with a dining table and leather, woven chairs. Decorative horseshoes, sourced from a local Austin store, add a touch of rustic charm that resonates with the Hill Country's character. One unique feature of this home is the large wooden garage door that connects the interior with the outdoor space, bringing the beauty of nature inside. The kitchen is a real showstopper, with custom-made cabinets by Bob's Containers that exude luxury. The butcher block countertop and wooden floating shelves provide both functionality and aesthetics. A hot plate built into the countertop adds convenience to the compact kitchen space. A cream-colored retro fridge completes the look, offering the perfect size for a tiny house. Open the sliding door and you'll find the bathroom, featuring beautiful tiles from Austin-based clay imports and Dallas-based Raid tile. The shower, with its waterfall design and a massive window, serves as a relaxing retreat with abundant natural light. A cleverly placed handle allows you to turn on the shower without getting wet. The bathroom also houses the toilet and a stylish vanity. Now, let's head back outside to explore the crown jewel of this container home, the rooftop deck. The entire roof transforms into an expansive outdoor living area with breathtaking views of the Texas Hill Country. It includes an outdoor dining table, comfortable chairs, and an incredibly unique feature, an outdoor bathtub. Whether you want to soak in hot water on a cool night or cool off on a scorching day, this rooftop tub offers a dual-purpose luxury experience. But the surprises don't end there. Right off the side of the rooftop deck, you'll find a hammock where you can relax, sunbathe, or simply take in the serene surroundings. It's the perfect spot to unwind and enjoy your time in this remarkable space. The Desert Rose Ranch shipping container home is more than just a place to stay. It's an immersive experience in minimalist luxury. If you're planning a visit to the Texas Hill Country, especially the renowned wine trail in the area, be sure to check out this unique Airbnb for a memorable and peaceful escape.